To integrate Alchemy SDK installation, start by understanding the basics of Alchemy and its application in blockchain development. Alchemy is a platform that provides developers with a suite of tools to build scalable and reliable blockchain applications. The Alchemy SDK is a software development kit that allows developers to integrate Alchemy's features into their projects. First, you need to create an Alchemy account and set up a new project. This will provide you with an API key, which is necessary for authentication. Next, choose the programming language you want to use and install the corresponding Alchemy SDK package. For example, if you are using JavaScript, you can install the Alchemy SDK using npm by running the command npm install Alchemy SDK. After installation, import the Alchemy SDK into your project and initialize it with your API key. This will give you access to Alchemy's features such as blockchain data, notifications, and computing resources. You can then use the SDK to send transactions, query blockchain data, and interact with smart contracts. A key concept to understand when using the Alchemy SDK is the concept of providers and signers. Providers are used to connect to the blockchain and retrieve data, while signers are used to send transactions. You can use the Alchemy SDK to create providers and signers that can be used in your application. Best practices for integrating Alchemy SDK installation include handling errors and exceptions properly, using secure authentication methods, and optimizing performance by caching frequently accessed data. It is also important to follow Alchemy's guidelines and documentation to ensure that your application is compliant with their terms of service. In practical terms, integrating Alchemy SDK installation can be as simple as sending a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. For example, you can use the Alchemy SDK to send a transaction by creating a signer and a provider, and then using the signer to send a transaction to a smart contract. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Alchemy SDK installation into your project and start building scalable and reliable blockchain applications. The Alchemy SDK provides a powerful set of tools for blockchain development, and by understanding how to use it effectively, you can unlock new possibilities for your project.